I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I think this is the biggest haul I've ever done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. Today I'm going to be doing a haul. I do my monthly haul, so today is April's monthly haul. It's a big one, you guys. I've been collecting this for quite some time. I generally think this is the biggest haul I've ever done, bar my Sephora one that I did in America where I spent like $2 grand. It's a lot of stuff, so if you guys are interested in seeing what I've been buying this month, then please stay tuned. First things first, a bit boring stuff. I brought a new hairspray. This isn't the hairspray that I used to use, but I thought that I'd venture out and try a fun one. This is the VO5 Shine and Hold Hairspray, 24-hour weatherproof, easy to brush out. It's just massive, basically. So I decided to get this because I like to hairspray my hair every now and then, especially because my baby hairs right at the back are really short. Like since I went platinum, they've kind of broke off, those ones at the back, and they fall down when I like wear a top bun. So this will hopefully help me. So this is the Superdrug volumizing dry shampoo, freshens hair and adds volume. It's just called Killer Volume. And that's what it looks like. I just got this for like root touch up because I go to the gym every day, but I don't wash my hair every day. So the days that like I go to the gym and I've got like second wash hair, I can like volumize it with that. Fingers crossed. That's the plan. That's the plan. Another somewhat boring thing is I got my cream. This is what I use every single night. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula, the one that comes in the pot. My Superdrug only does a small one. I would like the big one, but I don't know anywhere in Manchester that does the big one. And this just says that it's daily skin therapy, softens, smooths, relieves rough, dry skin, 24-hour moisture. I don't have rough or dry skin on my face. I think that's all the boring stuff. It's not necessarily boring, but I got two. I've used one of the new ones today. Of the Morphe Flawless Beauty Sponge. I now have 4 of these bad boys. They are insane. I swear to God, they are so good. I've got so many people hooked on them, and I want you guys to get hooked on them as well. £8, Best Buy. Ow. Like, the best thing I bought last year was this, I promise you. Bam! You guys know I love me some Lily Lash. The first pair I got were a pair of Opulence. I'm currently wearing them at the moment. These are just a backup brand new pair. I have the style Miami, which are a mink pair. I have the style Hollywood, again a mink pair. I have the style Mykonos. My all-time favourite are Mykonos. I'm obsessed with Mykonos. I can wear them every day and I feel fine with them. I love them. And this new thing, it's called So Extra Mykonos. Another pair of lashes that I got were from the brand Doll Beauty, and these are doll lashes. These are in the style Danielle. I got these from Beauty Bay, but I did get a pair from Topshop, and these were in the style Divine. So those are the two I got. These ones remind me of Mykonos by Lily Lash so much. Like, to me, those two are quite similar. So the Danielle is quite similar to the Lily Lash in Mykonos. If you don't want to spend like 30 quid, understandable, and you want to spend £10 instead, I mean, if these are amazing, I'll only wear those from now on. I picked up a yellow eyeshadow from the brand Bleach London. This is in the shade PH 3MA. It's just the yellow eyeshadow basically. I love me some yellow eyeshadow. If you guys know and watch my channel, you know that. I picked up a brush that I've already taken out of its package because I was really excited just to like touch it and play with. This is from Real Techniques. It's in the number 303. Since I first ever bought Real Techniques brushes, I've never repurchased a Real Techniques brush, or I've never brought another Real Techniques brush because I'm a sucker for Zoeva. I can't lie, like Zoeva has my heart with brushes, but this one I saw and I was like, yes, because this for foundation, I hope, will be insane. I'm going to do a full face of first impressions with all this stuff. I'm going to make it drugstore, like a full face of drugstore new in makeup, and this will be the brush I use for a foundation. Sneak peek. I picked up a mascara that I've loved. This used to be my favourite mascara a few years ago. I think I used it when I first started my channel, or it was just before then. Like, it's been like 4 or 5 years. This is the Jordana Best Lash Extreme Volumizing Mascara. I first heard about this when Lauren Curtis here on YouTube mentioned it. She used to use this and her lashes looked insane. And then I could only get it off Amazon at the time. And then I was on Beauty Bay the other day and they've got this. So I'm so excited. I'm not going to open it actually because it'll dry up. But this used to be my favourite mascara and then I fell off because it's just so hard to get it. But now it's easier, so this will be the mascara that I always use. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. I love this mascara. I picked up this, which is the Morphe x Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise highlighter palette and fan brush. I was skeptical to get this, I can't lie. So it's just a normal fan brush, which is really cute. It's like white and gold and then like a beigey cream wood. And then the palette looks like this. It's very like Hawaiian-y, which I love. And then inside, oh, okay. Inside there's a message. Oh God, stay open, will you? Oh, it's magnetic, that's why. Okay. Inside there's a message that says, Aloha, mahalo for supporting your fave babe in paradise. Growing up in the islands gave me a diverse perspective on life that I want to share with you. I hope this palette captures the essence of paradise beauty. Bye bitch, Bretman Rock. You have to like sass it. It comes with 6 shades. Do I swatch them or should I wait for the front? Let's swatch them, screw it. I'll just do the top 3. Oh, I mean, I feel like that one I'll never use to highlight personally, and that one will be more of a bronzer, that one more of a blush, but those 3 like beigey golden tones I'm here for. Baby girl. So those are them. There's one there which was that really light one that unfortunately you can't really see on me. I'm going to enjoy using that for a first impression, I'm sure. I then got another highlighter. I'm going to stick on that for now. This is another collab. I feel like everyone's coming out with collabs right now. Does no one want to collab with me? Anyway, this is the ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills times Amrezy highlighter. I wasn't going to get this. I'm going to be honest with you guys. This came in the post today. I ordered it last night. I wasn't going to get it because I didn't know if the gold would be for me. I didn't know if it was going to be too dark. That is bomb. This is the first time I've opened it. Wow. I don't want to touch. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It feels like butter. Oh, so there it is at the top of the knuckles. Wow. I've heard a lot of people talk about this, but I haven't really like seen swatches unless they've been from her herself or like ABH themselves. I like to see swatches from like other people because then I can see what it looks like on different people's skin tones and like how they apply it and whatnot. My friend at work, Sarah, who I love to bits, she's got it and she told me to get it and I was just like, I don't know. And then I finally did and that looks stunning. I'm so excited. I'm going to pop it on. Screw it. Screw it. I don't care if I've already got one on. Oh yes. Then picked up a couple of primers from L'Oreal. I picked up the these are the Infallible range. I picked up the Luminizing Primer and the Pore Refining Primer. So every time I do a drugstore look, I always have to use a high-end pore filling primer or I don't use one at all because there's not one from the drugstore that I like. And now I've got this. So hopefully this won't break me out and hopefully this is good. I did try it on in Superdrug on my hand and it felt nice. So now we have these, which I'm very excited about. Ooh, I want to film this now. Then I got the Nip and Fab Liquid Gold Liquid Highlight. You guys know I love me a liquid highlight. And I thought I'd try the Nip and Fab. Jesus. You guys know I love it, so I thought I'd try the Nip and Fab one. It is just that there. I mean, of course you guys can see that. Space can see that. I got the Maybelline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. Just so that I can try a drugstore loose powder. You guys know the only powder I use on my face is a loose one. I picked up 2 of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Inks. I got these 2. Where does it say the shade? I got 55 Driver and 05 Loyalist. Let's do some swatcheroonies, shall we? So that one is Driver, that more brownie, and the more pinky is Loyalist. I don't know how you guys are going to be able to see those. Ooh! I picked up a cream bronzing contour shade of the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Stick. This is in the shade 220 Toffee Caramel. I just want to lick it. It looks like chocolate. But I also picked up the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in a contouring bronzing shade as well. So that's what the Makeup Revolution one looks like. It's in the shade F13. It's quite a nice shade. And then the final couple of bits, I got this Nip and Fab travel palette. I'm not the biggest fan of this, I'm not gonna lie. The shades are very dark. This is the shade medium. The shades are very dark. So I might see if Rose wants that, because that's too dark for me personally. And then I picked up 2 palettes from my favourite eyeshadow palette people. These are the Juvia's Place. The first one is the Zulu palette. Packaging on this is insane. That makeup is bomb. Like, I want to recreate that. That is gorgeous. This, oh! Every time I look at these palettes, oh, I cry a little because they're so gorgeous. Look at that. Is that not Sophie in a palette? This is like last year's Sophie in a palette. Those 2 shades, yes. This one here is the most stunning, unique colour ever. I can't wait to play. I cannot wait to play. Final one that I got was the Festival palette, which again, I mean, beautiful, honest to God. And this one looks like that. Those 2, 3, 4 there. I'm so excited to play. You guys have no idea, I'm so excited to play. Anyway guys, that is everything I brought this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are enjoying my monthly hauls as well, because you guys know I like to shop and I shop a lot. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If there's anything in particular that you want me to do a tutorial with ASAP, let me know in the comments down below. But I might postpone this video, so I might have used it already, but either way, let me know. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day and I will see you soon.